So you want to create a hue wheel in a graphics program like Photoshop or Photopea. Let's get to it. Let's start by drawing a round shape, holding down Shift and Alt to make it a perfect circle and to draw from the center. Now we'll double-click on the layer to open the layer styles, and there we'll enable a gradient overlay and set it to angle. We'll click on the gradient swatch and set the first stop to be maximum red. Now let's click to create a new stop and make it yellow. The position of this should be 17%, which is roughly the same as 60 degrees from a full circle. The next stop should be green and positioned at 33%. Then we'll make a cyan stop at 50%, which represents 180 degrees of the circle. After that, a blue stop at 66% and a magenta stop at 83%. Finally, at 100%, we go back to the full red color to complete the circle. Now we can select our circle by control-clicking on the layer and then contract the selection a little bit, and then Alt-click on the mask button so that we get a ring instead of this filled circle. That's how easy it is to create a hue wheel. We added some additional decorations on top of it. If you need the longer version of this tutorial, where we go through also that part, you can find it at fastertutorials.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on 1minutevideotutorials.com.